Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home page, the current watch face. Press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. And once you open the watch face menu, you should see the list of watch faces, and you can scroll through the list by swiping left or right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. Some of the watch faces can be customized. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have this settings icon below. You can tap on it, and basically you can select different color scheme or flavors for your watch face, and then tap on it to select it like this. Okay. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab your phone that is paired with your watch, open the OnePlus Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the application, tap on Manage, and here you should see the OnePlus Watch connected to your phone. Now tap on the watch faces option, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And you can change the watch face by simply tapping on one, tapping on Set as Watch Face, and it should be applied on your watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.